Number 9. Another concern I get, especially from people who have not done balloons before, or they've only ever tied a round balloon, is how do I tie a balloon? Now with a round balloon, they give you a little bit extra nozzle so you can tie. When you blow up a balloon, if you don't prepare your balloon the right way, you won't give yourself the nozzle. So when I inflate a balloon, I automatically put my thumb and forefinger a little bit down from the nozzle. So there's a nozzle. Now I'm creating that channel so that I can tie my balloon. And I have a whole video on just how to tie a balloon. So we'll link it so you can watch it. But by having that extra nozzle, I have more room to do the movement to get the balloon around my fingers and to push it through the gap I create. And by giving it a little tug, I tie the balloon. Now for some people, this is a big concern that they won't even get into trying balloons because they're afraid of it. But once you try a couple times, you'll realize it's actually tying your shoes is probably more difficult than tying a balloon knot, because you got two pieces that you're working together. I'll be honest, my shoes are almost always untied because the knots I tie don't stay. Balloons don't have that issue because it's one single piece of material that you're just tying upon itself. If you can tie a knot in a rope, you can tie a balloon knot. It's just a straight old granny knot, okay? And you're using your fingers to create a channel and you're straight through. Try it a couple times. I know you can do this. I know you got this, okay? Cool.